Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that checks if the characters in a string are numeric. And we can do it using the isDigit function. Let me run the code. So it says enter a string to check if it's numeric. I type down Reza and the answer is the string numeric? The answer is false because it's not numeric, okay? So when I run the code one more time and I type down, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I enter, it says, is this string numeric? The answer is true. So how can we check that? First of all, I use the input function to show this message to the user, enter a string to check if it's numeric. Then we assign it to the text variable. After that, we are simply printing the output saying that is the string numeric? This is a message that we want to show. This is this one. Then put a comma to call the text variable using and also call the isDigit function. Sorry. So I type down the name of the variable, which is text dot isDigit function, and with empty parentheses. This isDigit function is going to check if this string text contains all characters are numeric or not. Okay, so even if I type down, for example, Reza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the answer is false. Why? Because it's not all numeric. It is going to check if all the characters in the string are numeric or not. So if I type down 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, for example, it says true because it has all its characters are in numeric view. So this is how we can use isDigit function to check if all the characters in a string are numeric. Thank you for watching.